Welcome to the kitchen. Okay, these are a few of the things that you're going to want to grab for what we're about to cook. Number one, grab yourself some onions, and for spices, grab some basil, paprika, right on. And just keep following along, and I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, right on, guys. Well, what we're going to be doing is some French onion soup, right on. So, yeah, good stuff. Grab yourself your onions and all that kind of jazz, and let's get rolling here. Okay, first things first. Get our onions out and, chop them up because we're going to have to get things caramelizing, right? French onion soup, man, right on. Awesome stuff. And this is going to be done with a little bit of a twist. Some improvisation. Hey, improvisation is always good, right? Okay, good stuff. Right on. So, yeah. Just grab yourself, maybe 3-4 onions, and grab yourself some basil, some broth, maybe some Worcestershire sauce, which we're doing a little improvisation, as you'll see. Just follow along here. Yeah, right on. Yeah. So first things first is we want to get those onions going. Oh yeah, choppy. Right on. I like chopping my onions kind of nice and I'll show you in a second here what we're talking about here. Yeah. Okay, right on. Well, you got your onions like that, and just throw them all in the crock pot. Yeah, and just throw them in there, okay? Well, don't throw them in, put them in your soup pot. That's what we're doing, right on. Good stuff. And another thing, what I did is also threw in 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic. Okay, right on, man. Well, that's starting to sizzle. Throw in some butter here. Don't need to be specific, but I'd say, you probably want probably a good tablespoon here. Give you a look here in a second, show you how it's looking. Kind of like about like that is what you want. Okay, and about medium heat, you just want to kind of get them to a crispness here, which will probably take about 20 minutes, half an hour. Oh yeah. We're getting really close to getting things on here. Okay, right on. Good stuff. Okay, now the fun part. Okay, grab yourself a little bit of bay leaves. Throw in some bay leaves. Why not? Bay leaves are awesome. Oh yeah. Hang on. Oh yeah. So I would throw in probably 2, 3. Oh yeah, why not? Yeah. Okay, right on. We're gonna need some liquid here now to get this rolling here, but we want to get our spices going at the same time. I'm throwing in, thyme would be awesome for this, but hey man, this is improvisation, so we're gonna throw in just a little bit of cumin. Why not? Throw in that. Throw in a little bit of basil. Basil's always good. Oh, basil. Ooh. So yeah, throw a little basil in there. Why not? Give that a go. Yeah. Okay, right on. Okay, now if you had a little bit of vinegar, that would be awesome. Don't get too carried away. Maybe just like a cap full, Woo. Oh yeah, vinegar. Good stuff. Got some vinegar in there. And now you can throw in some broth of whatever sort you want. I'm going with chicken broth on this. Okay, so get that chicken broth in there. Oh yeah, you can use beef broth. Beef broth's really good for this too, but it doesn't matter. Chicken broth, beef broth, whatever, it's all good. Okay, good stuff. Some wine. Yeah, red wine. Throw about a cup of red wine in there. Okay, right on. Oh, this is looking good, good. Oh, this will be good. Okay, good stuff. Okay. Now, for a little improvisation is what I normally like using for this is some Worcester sauce. Just because it's so fun saying Worcester. Yeah, but you know what we're doing? We're going to throw in some soya sauce. Why not? Throw in some soya sauce here. Oh yeah. So, and show you what to do in a second, man. Oh, this is looking terrific. This is going to be awesome. I love French onion soup. Okay. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Not too much. Okay. Oh, throw in some pepper. Pepper's awesome. Oh, yeah, pepper. A little bit of salt. Don't get carried away with the salt. Just a little bit. Yeah, just let those simmer for probably about 20 minutes or so. Hey, oh yeah, man! All right, we're back at it. Right on. Good stuff. Okay, well, grab yourself some croutons or some. I'll show you what I'm doing. But hey, you throw your oven on. Get it on broil. Go low or high. That's kind of personal call here. And you know what works awesome on this here is croutons. But you know what? I told you improvisation. Grab yourself a piece of bread. Okay, right on. Good stuff. And then, yeah, what we're going to do here is this is good to go. Grab yourself like a ladle. I don't want that one. I'm going to grab this one. Okay? An oven-safe bowl. And just take your soup, you know, that beautiful French onion soup we've been making. Oh yeah. I'm going to give you guys a look at this for a second. Oh, it's looking good. Just transfer it over. Right? Don't want to fill it all. Like, you know, get a little bit. Toss your piece of bread. Boom, right on top. Okay, good stuff. Now, here's where the improvisation special's coming in. Another improvisation special. Is if you had some mozzarella or some Parmesan cheese, that would be my go-to here. But you know what? I've done this before and it tastes great. So I'm throwing on some cheddar cheese. It's like kind of making a grilled cheese sandwich almost. But you already toasted it, right? Alright, just about like kind of like that and throw that baby in there. Oh yeah. Okay, just kind of keep an eye on it. But you see when it's bubbling kind of like that? You know, that's getting good. You want to, you know, maybe let go for another minute or two here. And then pop her out and we'll be good to eat. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Right on. Yeah, no, it's still got, you know, a fair bit of that soup here. Because you're going to deal with some mozzarella or something later on. But yeah, man. This is looking delicious. Man. You know, like I said, mozzarella or Parmesan, that's kind of your go-to, man. But I'm telling you, cheddar works. You know, it does. So anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video here, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you like doing your soup, man, because this is delicious. You guys be cool.